Let us now understand the different types of fire extinguishers and their uses. There are several types of fire extinguishers designed to combat different classes of fires. To indicate the type of fire it is suitable for, each type of extinguisher is labeled with a letter and color code. Here are the common types of fire extinguishers and instructions on how to use them properly. Class A fire extinguishers, which are red in color, are suitable for fires involving ordinary combustibles such as wood, paper, fabric, and trash. They typically contain water or a water based solution. Class B fire extinguishers, which are blue in color, are designed for fires involving flammable liquids, oils, greases, and gases. They typically contain foam, carbon dioxide, or a dry chemical powder and work by smothering the fire. Class C fire extinguishers, which are yellow in color, are used for fires involving energized electrical equipment or wiring. They typically contain a non conductive material such as carbon dioxide or a dry chemical powder and work by cutting off the electricity to the fire. Class D fire extinguishers are usually yellow in color, but they can also vary, and they are specifically designed for fires involving combustible metals such as magnesium, sodium, or titanium. They typically contain a dry chemical powder and work by smothering the fire. Class K fire extinguishers, typically silver or stainless steel, are designed for fires involving cooking oils and fats, often found in commercial kitchens. They typically contain a wet chemical extinguishing agent that is made up of potassium acetate, potassium carbonate, or potassium citrate. These chemicals saponify the cooking oils and fats, which prevents them from reigniting. Now that we have understood the types of fire extinguishers, it is equally important to know how to use them. For that, remember the PASS acronym. P, which is pull the pin to break the tamper seal. A, aim the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. S, squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. S, sweep from side to side to cover the fire with the agent. Always follow these best practices when extinguishing a fire. Stand at a safe distance from the fire, typically 6 to 8 feet. Always have an escape route at your back and never turn your back to the fire. Use the appropriate fire extinguisher for the type of fire you are facing. For example, do not use water-based extinguishers on flammable liquid or electrical fires as it can worsen the situation. Discharge the extinguisher in short bursts. This will help to conserve the extinguishing agent and give you more time to extinguish the fire. Be aware of the wind direction when using an extinguisher. Avoid discharging the extinguisher into the wind as this could spread the fire. If the fire is not quickly controlled, evacuate the area and call the fire department immediately. After using a fire extinguisher, even partially, have it recharged or replaced as soon as possible. Perform regular fire extinguisher training and maintenance to ensure that employees know how to use them effectively in case of a fire emergency.